having the best production lines at its disposal means Raxol can provide its global customer base with a truly well-oiled à la minute service. The production line starts with a functional setup table by means of which the containers are placed row by row onto the conveyor belt. This way, the Raxol product concerned can be filled up in an extremely accurate fashion. A hydraulic unit drives the piston movement. This guarantees lower energy consumption and a more powerful movement, one that is necessary for the more viscous products. Filling starts when all neck holders effectively confirm the presence of a container. All filler movements are adjusted according to precise settings, so that filling speed and filling needle movement are perfectly synchronized. The special gully for leaks ensures that no drops can fall onto the packaging, and this means that the final Raxol product is always delivered in top condition. The filled containers move along to the capping machine via the conveyor belt. The star in the capping machine positions the container neatly under the capping head. Only in this way can the caps be closed very precisely, so that leaks are impossible. Personalized labels are automatically applied, and each type of container is assigned a unique code, so that the background of every product can be traced at any time. Once all of the Raxol products have been thoroughly checked, they are ready to be packed in boxes. An ultra-modern robot stacks all of the boxes onto a pallet. A protective layer is placed around each pallet, and this can then be stored in the warehouse ready for à la minute delivery to our customers worldwide.
See this?